Hello everyone. Today we will look at one of the most important orthognathic surgery procedures, the bilateral sagittal split osteotomy. It is a cornerstone surgery for correcting of mandibular deformities like retrognathism and prognathism. The BSSO is mainly indicated in skeletal class 2 and skeletal class 3 malocclusions, where the mandible is either retruded or protruded. The main indication of the surgery is to mandibular body in all the three planes, that is anterior, posterior, transverse and vertical, in order to correct both function and facial aesthetics. The procedure was first introduced by Turner and Obgesser in 1957 and was later modified by Dahl, Kohn and Haschen. It involves making osteotomy cuts along mandibular ramus and the body by splitting it sagittally into two segments of each. The distal segment carries the teeth while the proximal segment carries the condyle. After the surgery, the surgeon repositions the distal segment as required, either with titanium screws or plates. Rigid internal fixation with mini screws or plates stabilizes the new mandibular position. Post-operatively, the patients are placed on a soft diet and monitored for occlusal stability and nerve function. Early physiotherapy helps improve normal mandibular functions and recovery. Common complication involves inferior alveolar nerve injury, bad splits, or relapse if the fixation is inadequate. However, the BSSO remains the most versatile surgery because it allows for controlled movement, wide contact area and excellent healing. To sum up, BSSO provides both functional and aesthetic correction for mandibular deformities. It is a beautiful example of how surgery and orthodontics works in hand to hand to create confident smiles and beautiful faces. Thank you.